Hey, welcome back to another daily beer review, or it's a beautiful day. It's going to be more of a little cocktail review. And I got one of these Buzzballz again, the Strawberry-Rita. Apparently, again, this is 15% alcohol, but it's also got some premium vodka and tequila in it. So this is the first time I'm trying a little bit mix of their margaritas of different cocktails. Usually it's predominantly the vodka I've been drinking, but let's try this. Yeah, vodka and tequila with natural flavors and certified colors. I don't know what certified colors is. Maybe I'm reading that wrong. I don't have my beer goggles on yet, so I can't read, but let's give it a little shake. Nice red liquid on the inside. Let's see. It's been a beautiful day here in South Florida. Quiet aside from construction. But we got some red gel. Wow. It smells a little bit like a cross between Kool-Aid and like a daiquiri. Let's see, let's need a few more smells. I could smell it even that it's far, it's about a foot away from me that I can still smell some of the flavors coming from it. Get a little bit closer. Let's give it a go. Starts off sweet like a fruit punch, and then bam, tequila hits you. It's still kind of like the, tequila kind of burns down, going down your chest a little bit. I feel that, not in a bad way. Let me clarify. It's tequila burning down your chest doesn't really necessarily mean it's negative or bad. Let's give it another go. Wow. As this one's going down, the bigger sip, you really start to taste a lot more of the flavors. It's like a mix between, obviously a strawberry margarita, strawberry daiquiri. Like a little more berry flavored, and then followed by like a little bit of citrus, like a little pow in it within. That's, I think, the tequila really isn't making the pow, but I can taste, when the tequila's going down, I can taste more of the citrus part. I think I have to have another sip, taste test, make sure it's not poison for you drinkers there. This thing's good. This is dangerous. And I'm learning my Spanish down here in South Florida. It's muy peligroso. It's very, very dangerous because these are so good. It's easy. You have one, you're like, yeah, I can take a few more. And it's probably like, the only way I can describe it is I've drinking a few of these simultaneously after filming some of these videos. It reminds me of the first time I tried a Long Island iced tea. My buddy and I we found some in, this is downtown Honolulu. We're at some small little hole-in-the-wall bar. It was special, $6 screaming Mai Tais. Or no, Long Beach Island iced teas. That's what it was. Or Long Beach. Long Island, sorry. That's the Cali in me. The Long Island iced teas, $6. And we had 3 of them. We're like, what's inside of it? We're learning this. And all these different types of alcohol. I'm like, I don't really feel anything. My buddy's like, yeah, me too. It just makes me gotta go to the bathroom. Yeah, me too. I gotta take a piss. We get up and it was like, oh, there's the alcohol. So that's why these things are dangerous. 15% alcohol and just these little shots. Equivalent, again, to very soft pour 3 or 4 shots. Again, that's per size, or how I say, per capita of the size. Yeah, these are good. So again, I approve this flavor. I like it. I think it's really good. The Strawberry-Rita. Single guys, you bring a couple of these out at a pool party somewhere where a bunch of chicks are. I promise you they will come up, or you can offer them. Oh yeah, they're great. It's safe for them too because they're in the can. It's closed, but it's gonna make you pretty popular. So great job. This woman found a company called Buzzballz. Get them while you can. Have a great summer.